Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how we can commit our changes into Eclipse. That changes how it will be reflect into GitHub repository. Okay. In my previous video, I told you how we can upload this project file into GitHub repository. That part it will be completed in my previous video. From that previous video, today we are continue how we can commit those files in Eclipse, how it will be going to be reflected in GitHub repository. Okay, so this is the file which is I created in Eclipse. So right click on this Maven project. See here you can see the team option. Click on share project. Okay, so after checking this two checkbox, you can ensure whether the finish button it will be enabled or disabled. If in case disabled means after uploading this project file into GitHub repository, okay, you can refresh or else you can exit your Eclipse or else you can restart your Eclipse. That time only this finish button it will be enabled mode. Okay, so before I can restart my Eclipse, so that reason it will be defaultly it will be checked in the checkbox, and also the finish button it will be enabled mode. Okay, so once you are click on this finish button, see this git repository it will be updated here. Okay, so already I told you this project it will be available under local disk D drive inside project code folder only. So and yesterday, while we are updating in Git initiator, that Git folder will be created under this project. So once it will be updated successfully, that time only this option will be working inside Eclipse. Okay. So now I'm going to be make changes inside some file. Okay. So take this file. I add some word which is successfully. Okay. So now I made some changes. After changes, some it will be made. I made some changes. Okay, so right click on, go to this team. See, after made some changes, you can see all those options, which is commit, stash, pull, push, everything. Okay, once you done any changes inside file, you can click on commit. In that commit, see that maximize the window only will be changed inside project file. So it will be comes under staged changes. So if it is under unstaged means you can move under staged changes. Okay, then only this icon it will be disappear. So here you can give first changes. Okay, click on commit and push. So it will be committed and push, it will be showing like one pop-up. Okay, see here that repository URL it will be updated here. So this is the URL which is so this is the GitHub repository URL. The same URL only it will be updated here. Okay, so click on preview. So it will be take few seconds. So what are the commit message you are given here? It will be updated here, and click on push. After click on push only, what are the changes you made in Eclipse? That change is going to be updated in your GitHub repository. Okay, click on push. See, successfully it will be updated. How we can ensure? Go to your GitHub repository, refresh it. See, 9 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, I committed one changes. Okay, see what changes I made. See, so this is the changes I made inside my Maven project. That file it will be updated successfully. Okay, so this is the procedure we are following. How we can commit our changes in Eclipse and how we can link the this project file into GitHub repository. Okay, thank you guys. So that previous video, this video is interlink one. You can first refer the previous video, then you can go through this video. That time only you will be understand. Thank you.